Welcome everybody back to a behind the scene look. Richard L. Scott, the Black Christian Geek. This is my actual Dell 16-inch laptop that I briefly mentioned in my last video that I got to replace my old HP that I accidentally bagged my car seat using the adjustment in the seat. I backed it up and crushed it. But anyway, this is some of the memory that I featured in it. This computer came with 16 gigs of RAM, and I got a second 16 gig DDR5 RAM stick to double it from 16 to 32. It has capacity to go up to 64, but trying to be more conservative in my spending. I didn't want to spend that much money in this season on this laptop to go all the way up to 64. For those who may be uncomfortable in this space, I remember a time when my wife said just seeing all the computer parts sprout out over the table made her uncomfortable. The long story short, the battery, the modem, the hard drive is underneath here. It's a shorter one, but as you see, if you pull this off, the longer one, the two DIMM slots, the heat sink with the fan, and the chip would be underneath the heat sink. That's just a quick tour of the board, and the speakers underneath. And this is the laptop flipped over upside down. So if we lift this tab up, you can see the original stick of RAM that's already there, and the new stick, if you pull this tab back, DMB. So A and B, DDR5 only, which this is, and should be able to just slip it in and slide it down, and you should hear a light clicking noise. There you go. It clicks, pops into place, and that's it. So for this episode, I just felt like sharing a behind the scene, pulling the curtain back, look at those who may have seen it before or wondered, are you able to replace your memory? Absolutely. 3 screws here, 2 in the middle, and 3 on the front side. Remove those screws and use something. It's supposed to use like a little sponger, but in this tool, I just use this to slide it along the edge to lift the back off. And the next time I boot the system up, I may be able to film that too. You'll get a message that says the memory has been increased. But that's all for this video. Again, this is Richard L. Scott, the Black Christian Geek, with a hardware upgrade, doubling the RAM on my laptop from 16 gigs to 32. Thanks. Like, subscribe, share this if it's been beneficial, and God bless.